got me pulling up to get my lick back. I need every dollar I spend back. Don't you lie to yourself. Don't forget where you came.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Big Pretty. It's your boo. It's your girl. It's your plus size coach. What's up, y'all? I just got a freaking package. I'm trying to get a thumbnail like. Okay, boom. Yes, y'all. I really am gonna do the trial haul. I should have did it yesterday. But I'm really gonna try to do it today. But I got home and I had a package. Okay. Ooh, it's in my address. I ain't showing. But I just want to show y'all this stuff I got from Temu. Really excited. I got something for Bentley too. And if you know who Bentley is. If you don't know, then you need to stick around and find out, or go back in my videos and find out who Mr. Bentley is. Okay. Now, this, y'all, it's supposed to be like a bad wig, like a wig I could wear under my hats. Like, even though I'm wearing my hair right now, looks crazy. That's why I'm wearing my hat right now. But this is the wig, y'all. This was like the thing looks like. So yeah, you gonna have to put some makeup in it mug. But let me take it out the thing and actually show y'all. She's a bust down, you know. A little makeup. This would not be the worst wig in the world. Like, put a little curl to it. But at the same time, like I said, this is just a bad wig that I'm going to wear. Underneath something, most likely. More than likely, wear that underneath something. But I love the colors in that wig. This is another beanie. As you can see, I'm gonna be ready this winter. Like, I'm gonna be ready this winter. Yes, it says wrong. Oh, this, I'm really excited about this. This is for my Apple Watch. I've been having this band the whole time. Like, this is gonna be the first time I switch bands. Like, not the rolling. Now it's a stolen. Give me the watch. Okay, what else I got here? Oh, okay. So, low-key, glad I didn't do the try on haul without this, y'all. I got me some titty, like, tape. Like, so, like, I don't have to wear a bra type stuff. Like, this part go over your titty and you tape it up. Like, yes. I don't know. I feel like, yeah, the girls need to put some brown makeup on it to have a your titty color. But other than that, we're gonna try this. Like, the way it feels like fake titties. Like, yeah, that's crazy. I love that. This thingy here. This is like, okay, I seen this black lady who love her dog. And when she grooming him, she uses one of these things. So when I seen it on Temu, you know I had to get it, okay? It is like a silicone brush, but at the top, you open it up and put soap in. So as you're brushing your dog, the soap coming out. And it got a little smiley on it. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot wait. Bentley is gonna love that, I think. Y'all, let's hope that we like it. But, oh yeah. Before I forget, let me show y'all the thing I'm like literally the most excited about is this. Okay, that would have went a lot better if we had a picture of what it actually is on the box. But it is a hot air brush, right? Girl, this thing. OMG. Hold on, yeah, I gotta plug this thing up. I'm sorry. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Temu. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Now I want to wash my hair. Now I want to try this on my hair. I might need to wash my hair. My mom said she's gonna do it for me, so I might have just some excuse to use this. Yeah. This thing's gonna get hot already. Let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do a video of me doing my hair with this. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh, but that's the rest of my Temu haul, you guys. Thank you for watching my channel, and I promise y'all the next video is literally going to be me and doing a try-on haul. Like, literally, I'm about to get off my phone, do something to my eyelashes because this is ridiculous. And then I'm gonna make a video of not using this thing, but trying on my clothes. Bye, y'all. Bye.